जब भी हम एक वैन गॉग की पेंटिंग देखते हैं तो हमें एक फीलिंग आती है लाइक इट्स मूविंग इवन दो इट्स नॉट। वो सेंसेशन है जो एमा चेम्बरलेन ने एग्जैक्टली एम्बॉडी किया है जब वो मेट गाला 2026 की आउटफिट में रेड कारपेट पे आई है। ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होने वाला है। ओल्ड क्लिनिक और न्यू क्लिनिक के बीच में एक वीक मेरे पास गैप था, तो आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ फन एंड एंजॉयमेंट इन दैट वीक। दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट दैट वीक एंड अबाउट मेट गाला। आई नो मेट गाला के बारे में बात करने के लिए बहुत देर हो गई है, बट इस साल की थीम वाज द बेस्ट थीम वाज फैशन इज आर्ट। बताना चाहती हूँ दो मेरी फेवरेट आउटफिट। फर्स्ट आउटफिट इज ऑफ एमा चेम्बरलेन, सेकंड ड्रेस अनन्या बिरला's आफ्टर पार्टी लुक। लेट्स सी कि किस बारे में वो ड्रेसेस थी, क्या वो रिप्रेजेंट करती थी। सो ऑल्दो आई लव एमा चेम्बरलेन, बट दिस वीडियो इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी अबाउट हर। Going to be about her gown and the paintings that it was inspired by. So Emma Chamberlain का gown was not special because of its construction कि कैसा बना हुआ है, but because what was on top of it. The whole gown was hand painted from hem to neckline by Chicago-born artist named Anna Deller Yee. It took 40 hours of painting and 4 days of drying time. Emma and her stylist sent some reference photos from Van Gogh and Munch paintings to her artist for the gown and for the art that they wanted on the gown. First we'll talk about Van Gogh, specifically the Garden of Arles, जिससे ये gown ज़्यादा inspired है. In 1888, Van Gogh moved from Paris to a small town in south of France called Arles. He was like really tired and he was burnt out and he just wanted some sun and quiet and he wanted to paint. वहाँ पे जो हुआ, that was like the most creative phase of his life. It was like a creative explosion because 1888 and 1889 एक साल में he painted around 300 paintings. That too उस time पे जब he was struggling with his mental health and all of the things which would eventually lead to his hospitalization. उस time पे उस season में he wrote to his brother. And the thing about Van Gogh's paintings are he drew with his paints. His paintings seem to evolve with every brushstroke. His works convey forceful colors, bold brushstrokes, and contoured forms. जबकि साथ साथ में he was battling with his mental health and he was seeing the world more vividly than anybody else. That beauty and the chaos of his mind, which was seen on his canvas and his paintings, the same beauty and the chaos was captured on that gown. तो ये गाउन मेजरली दो पेंटिंग से इंस्पायर्ड था। तो हमने वैन गॉग वाला गार्डन ऑफ आर्ल्स वाला पार्ट कवर कर लिया है। नाउ इट्स टाइम की जो नीचे नीचे का पार्ट है विच इज अ लिटिल डार्कर इन ब्लू एंड रेड टोन्स, हम उसकी बात करें। एंड दैट वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय मंच पेंटिंग कॉल्ड द स्क्रीम। You probably would have seen this somewhere. Speciality of Munch lies in depicting the inner emotions, inner feelings. कोई इंसान एक टाइम पे क्या फील कर रहा है, he used to paint that. And the screen represents that. One day he was going with his friends from a bridge. He felt like screaming, or he felt like there was a scream in the environment at that time. But his friends or the people he was with weren't even aware what he was feeling from inside. Beautiful. I'm going to the gym. And the Chicago-born artist hai Anna Deller Yee. She did not just copy both of those paintings, which is another example how they completely utilized the theme fashion is art. They didn't just print a painting on a dress. They captured the essence of those paintings, made the gown of canvas. They made Emma Chamberlain the canvas. That is why it was one of the two looks that I really liked. And सोचने की बात है कि Van Gogh painted so much of his artwork, 300 paintings during the most tough years of his life when he was going through a lot in his like worst times. He still continued to paint and made great artworks. And Munch had like a panic attack during the walk with his friends, and he felt like nobody noticed that he was having that panic attack, that he was screaming from inside, and he went home and painted the scream. Both of these artworks have lasted over 100 years and inspired so many other people, and still people are talking and discussing most struggling times. I think about that a lot. We really try to present our finished versions, perfectly captioned, perfectly edited versions online also, world also. We try to present our complete versions, but that is not necessarily our best version. Struggling should not be romanticized or glorified. Even if you're struggling, it's not like life stops, or it's not like you cannot do something great in those times. It's not like you need to be perfect all the time and present the most perfect version. You can be imperfect, and those imperfections will make something great that you don't even realize that you're gonna do. एंड एक छोटी सी चीज़ जो एक और ड्रेस मुझे अच्छी लगी थी, विच वॉज अनन्या बिरला's आफ्टर पार्टी लुक. She wore like a metallic sort of a gown, presented the murtis from our Indian temple. This really stood out. उन sculptures को इतना praise किया जाता है जो इटली और मतलब यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में होते हैं. आई डोंट हैव मच नॉलेज अबाउट इट, बट आई नो दैट उनको इतना अप्रिशिएट किया जाता है. एंड इफ़ वी लाइक लुक क्लोजली, इतनी सारी स्कल्पचरल वाली आर्ट्स इंडिया में टेम्पल्स में इतनी बारीकी से करी गई हैं, एंड दे आर सो गुड. फील लाइक शी रिप्रेजेंटेड दैट, एंड that was really unique and a very good representation in my opinion. These are the two looks that I loved from the Met Gala. Okay, bye. See you in the next one.